Hi! So this is my first video, which is terrifying, but also exciting. I feel like you always want your first video to be something super special and really awesome, so everyone will love your videos and all that, but honestly, your first video is never that special, and you don't have to overthink it too much. So that's what I'm doing. I'm not overthinking it. So for this video, I have been snowed in for days, and there's just been so much snow. We can't really get out at all, and the cars are frozen, and everything is just a mess. So my idea was to make a little photo shoot here at home, nothing big, fancy, whatever, inspired by the snow. And I want to bring you guys with me for the full process of making this little at-home photo shoot. I don't have a big fancy setup or anything, I just have my camera. So I'm gonna do this photo shoot with whatever I have around here. I'm kind of thinking some leftover New Year's decorations and some bed sheets. The important thing here is the exercise in creativity. So let's start on this frosty photo shoot, I think I will call it. Okay, for starters, as I said, I think I'm gonna use white bed sheets as the background. And then also, I have this big sweater. It's actually a dress, but I was thinking it could give a really good like wintry vibe. Let's go to the bedroom and see if we can find any like accessory that we can also use. As you can see here, I have a lot of earrings. Maybe using these because they are like small snowflakes. For making the kind of sparkly stuff that makes it feel a bit more frozen, I'm gonna use this, which is leftover decoration from New Year's, where you blow it out and then a long string of this silver paper is gonna come out. I think if you're kind of hanging it in the background, it will look really pretty. Okay guys, I will show you the most alternative background. We have a chair on a box here and the other chair on the sofa. And then I can crawl under right here. But hopefully it works. Hopefully it does not look too bad in the photos. Now I will just have to put up the New Year's decorations on the background and then let's see what we are gonna get. Okay, I have changed now. I have put some blue frosty stuff on my lips, my eyelids and my eyebrows. I changed my earrings as well. I have also hair like slick back like this. So this is kind of the look. We have the silver stuff here. I don't know if it's enough. I think we'll try shooting. I also have this thing from New Year's that I think could make like a really cool like foreground in some of the photos. So let's try shooting some photos and see how they turn out. Okay, so we are doing the photo shoot now. At first I was not gonna do a voiceover here, but to be honest it was a bit boring to watch without anyone talking in my opinion. I'm just gonna explain a little bit of what I'm doing. Here I'm using the glitter as the foreground to make it all sparkly, and I'm shaking my head in this photo to try and get a blurry effect while I'm doing it. And I'm also trying some different poses. It's really hard to pose your hand. You can see my fingers are like moving a lot. Hands are some of the most difficult things to pose in my opinion. I know a lot of photographers always struggle to make the hands look good. Here I'm also using the glitter again to make the sparkly foreground that you will see later on when the photo shoot is over. So that was it. Here are some of the final results. I think it was a nice exercise. I definitely need a better and bigger like background drop because those two chairs on the couch and the box is not working very well. But I feel like the pictures turned out fine. And also with the glitter in front that I did, I think that really adds an extra touch to the pictures. So I'm really happy about that. And if you want to see more of my videos and some of my creative upcoming projects, please subscribe and like the video so I know. And I hope this maybe inspired you to try something out at home. Even if you don't have a camera, you can do a lot on your phone just by setting up some stuff. So we can go on a creative brain journey together, filled with creative juice. Very important. But I hope I will see you guys soon in my next video, and I hope you enjoy your day. Bye!